Fantastic human. Hello, and welcome to your very first step in this iPadOS 26 journey. Before we dive into the practical lessons, I want to slow things down and give you a simple, friendly introduction to what makes the iPad such a remarkable device. The iPad sits in this beautiful space between a phone and a computer. It's portable and easy to hold like a phone, yet spacious enough to work, create, study, and organize your life without feeling cramped. And because everything is built around touch, the whole experience feels natural, as if the device is responding directly to you. iPadOS is designed for your hands first. Swiping, pinching, dragging, opening apps is all built around gestures that feel intuitive once you get used to them. In this course, we'll take our time with those gestures so nothing feels rushed or confusing. To help you settle in, we'll start by exploring the key places you will use every day. The home screen, where your apps live. The dock, which keeps your favorite apps within reach. The control center, your quick access panel for brightness, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other essential tools. By the end of this course, you not only understand these features, you actually feel at home on your iPad. You'll know how to move around confidently, use it for everyday tasks, and build habits that make your digital life lighter and more organized.